This is question 24 from exercise 20.1 in Project Maths 2. We have to let f be the function. F of x is x squared minus 3x, where x is an element of R. And for part 1 we have to express the f of t and the f of 2t plus 1 in terms of t. So let's do that first before we go into part 2. So part 1, we'll start off with the f of t. Now what that is what we get when we put t into the function in place of x. So into this function in place of x, we're just going to get t squared minus 3t. And that's the f of t. And for the second part of this one, the f of 2t plus 1 is what we get when we put 2t plus 1 into the equation in place of x. So that's going to be equal to 2t plus 1 all squared minus 3 times 2t plus 1. Now we just need to expand these brackets out. So the first one expanded out is going to be 4t squared plus 4t plus 1. And the second one is going to be minus 6t minus 3. And if we tidy that up a bit, we get 4t squared, and then 4t minus 6t is minus 2t, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And that's that one done out. And then for part 2, we've defined the values for t for which the f of t is equal to the f of 2t plus 1. And this bit here that says hence, whenever that comes up in a question, that usually means use the information that you have found in a previous part of the question to help you with what we're about to ask you to do. So in this case they're saying hence find the values of, because they've already had you do part of this above. So we're going to rewrite our equation from the right here, but instead of writing the f of t, we're going to write down what we figured out to be the f of t, which is t squared minus 3t. And instead of the f of 2t plus 1, we're going to write down what we found out to be the f of 2t plus 1, which is 4t squared minus 2t minus 2. Now I'm going to bring everything from the left over to the right so that I get everything on the same side. So I'm going to have 0 equals 4t squared minus t squared minus 2t plus 3t minus 2. Alright, and then we're going to tidy this up a bit, and just for ease I'm going to move the equals 0 to the other end. So 4t squared minus t squared is 3t squared, minus 2t plus 3t is plus t, and we still have minus 2, and that's all equal to 0. In order to solve this out, we need to factorize now. So we're factorizing a quadratic. The first term in each of these brackets are going to be the factors of 3t squared, so that's 3t and t. And the second term in each bracket are going to be factors of minus 2. And we're going to go with 2 here and 1 here, and that's going to be minus, and that's going to be plus, like that. And then all we got to do is take each of these brackets and set them separately equal to 0. So we've got 3t minus 2 is equal to 0, and t plus 1 equals 0, which means t equals 1. And over here, t is equal to 2/3. That should be minus 1 over here, sorry. And that is that.